News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh, Sainik School Ghorakhal, Nainital, Department of Economic Affairs, Ministry of Finance, Mecon Limited and Canara Bank. All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh is an institute which strives to provide excellent tertiary patient care, world-class medical education and groundbreaking research. Institute aims to mentor students and train so that they represent institute globally as pioneers to serve as effective deliverers of patient care in society. AIIMS Rishikesh functions as a Vishwavidyalaya, which implies learn from world and also teach world. 84 visiting professors from all over world reinforce this message. These include faculty from eminent universities like George Washington University, USA, University of Michigan, Bournemouth University, UK, University of California, San Francisco, USA, City Hospital, Sunderland and NHS Foundation Trust, UK, to name a few. All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, invites online applications from eligible candidates against following reopened posts on direct recruitment. 1 post of Senior Medical Officer Ayush, 5 posts of Medical Officer Ayush, 5 posts of Junior Medical Record Officer Receptionist, 2 posts of Social Worker, 1 post of Coding Clerk, 1 post of Maternity and Child Welfare Officer, 4 posts of Medical Record Officer and 38 posts of Medical Record Technician. Number of posts is tentative and is liable to change based on institute's requirements. Date of opening 19th May 2021. Date of closing 18th June 2021. For detailed description of qualification and other eligibility criteria, please visit Institute website www.aimsrishikesh.edu.in. Candidates who had already successfully applied with applicable application fee earlier in response to above mentioned advertisements need not apply again. Sainik School Ghorakhal, located near Nainital, was established on 21st March 1966 on magnificent estate of Nawab of Rampur. The name Ghorakhal relates the events in 1857 when a British general, in a desperate bid to escape the revolutionaries of Awadh, strayed into this area and his horse, while drinking water from nearby pond, died. Therefore the name Ghora, horse, Khal, pond. The Ghorakhal estate was presented to General Wheeler in 1870 by the British rulers. In 1921, then Nawab of Rampur, Major General His Highness Alija Amirul Umra Nawab Sir Syed Muhammad Ahmed Ali Khan Bahadur purchased this estate. After the abolition of the privy purses in post-independent India, the state government, then Uttar Pradesh, purchased the estate from the Nawab of Rampur in March 1964 and later Sainik School Ghorakhal was established on 21st March 1966. Sainik School Ghorakhal, Nainital, under Sainik School Society, Ministry of Defence, Government of India invites applications for 1 post of TGT English on regular basis. Eligible and interested candidates may apply with complete biodata as per format given in school website www.ssghorakhal.org. Applications complete in all respect along with DD must reach Principal Sainik School Ghorakhal within 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. By-hand applications will not be accepted. School will not be responsible for postal delay. Applications received after due date will not be considered. Only shortlisted candidates will be called to attend a written or practical test or selection process. It is proposed to fill up the following posts on deputation basis from amongst suitable and eligible officers working under central government in Department of Economic Affairs, Ministry of Finance. 1 post of assistant excluded, 1 post of assistant superintendent and 1 post of additional budget officer. It is requested that the applications in duplicate from the eligible and willing officers who can be relieved if selected may be forwarded in the prescribed proforma within 60 days from the date of publication in Employment News. Applications received incomplete, otherwise than through proper channel and without documents and after the due date will not be entertained. Further, the candidate who applies for the post will not be allowed to withdraw his candidature subsequently. MECON, a premier Mini Ratna Schedule A Government of India enterprise under Ministry of Steel, providing engineering, consultancy, contracting and project management services, invites application from committed, result-oriented, suitably qualified and experienced individuals through online application mode only for recruitment against the post given below. 2 posts of Assistant Manager Cost Estimation, Management Advisory Services, 2 posts of Assistant Manager Market Research Management Advisory Services, 1 post of Assistant Manager Rajbhasha, 1 post of Assistant Manager Rajbhasha, Deputy Manager Mineral GMMB, 1 post of Deputy Manager Legal, 1 post of Medical Officer Radiology in Medical, 1 post of Deputy Manager Rajbhasha in Rajbhasha, 1 post of Deputy Manager CC Corporate Communication, 1 post of Manager Mechanical FSPD, 1 post of Manager Civil in Civil, 1 post of Manager Legal in Legal, 2 posts of Senior Manager Civil or Mechanical in Oil and Gas, 1 post of Specialist Medicine in Medical, 1 post of AGM Mining GMMB, 2 post of AGM Civil or Mechanical Oil and Gas, 1 post of AGM HR Human Resource, 1 post of AGM Finance Merger and Acquisition, 1 post of DGM Mining GMMB, 2 posts of DGM Civil or Mechanical Oil and Gas and 2 posts of DGM Finance in Finance. Opening date for submission of online application will be notified in website. Closing date for submission of online application will also be notified in the website. Candidates satisfying the conditions of eligibility criteria shall apply online through the website www.meconlimited.co.in. No other mode of submission of application is allowed. For further details, please visit the link careers of the website www.meconlimited.co.in. Widely known for customer centricity, Canara Bank was founded by Shri Amembal Subbarao Pai, a great visionary and philanthropist, in July 1906 at Mangalore, then a small port town in Karnataka. The bank has gone through the various phases of its growth trajectory over 100 years of its existence. Growth of Canara Bank was phenomenal, especially after nationalization in the year 1969, attaining the status of a national level pair in terms of clientele segments. 80s was characterized by business diversification for the bank. In June 2006, the bank completed a century of operation in the Indian banking industry. The eventful journey of the bank has been characterized by several memorable milestones. Today, Canara Bank occupies a premier position in the Committee of Indian Banks. Canara Bank, a leading public sector bank with head office in Bengaluru and global presence with over 10,400 branches as on 31st March 2021, invites applications from eligible candidates for 1 post of Chief Digital Officer on contract basis. All the eligibility, qualifications, experience, age, etc. shall be computed as on 30th April 2021 inclusive. Last date for receipt of physical application inclusive is 30th June 2021. For full advertisement, please visit the bank's website www.canarabank.com. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.